Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
I want to ask Brekete, Brukutu. You know, there is one drink that they call Brukutu. They drink chak like Igbo. The northern people used to drink that Brukutu. So I'm asking people, is Brukutu, this one that died in the Calabar Carnival, about more than 20 people that died, who is Brukutu calling? Which embassy of death is he calling? You understand? So this community, if you tell them to support what we are doing, they will complain. They like Sabo. Today they are on the run. They like Sabo like Ifeanyi Ejiofor. You know, say on 26th, we already know that Ifeanyi Ejiofor is going to Orifite, his community. That shrine that is there. That he will be going there on 27th. Through 27, he went there with 2 cows, like our spokesperson was telling us. With the 2 cows. Now, when they do all this thing, finish, when the evil they commit come back to kill them, people with this person is dead or this person, they look for who to point hand. Now, just imagine if this is a useless bingo that you're putting the picture there now. If this bingo was he died in the days of we say sit at home, they will say that we kill them. People like this madman, this mini boy, where they South Africa, this useless boy, good for nothing. The man cannot even pronounce L. He will change L from R, put R in L. That talks so careless. Those sabos. This idiot in South Africa. Man must work. Agitators. The zombies we have. They will face their judgment very soon.
Gaddafi. But can we take sorry, can we take this?
Go ahead. When call comes, we stop. We take your. We want to hear from our people.
Okay, Maze, go on.
Go ahead, Biafra.
Oh, I do be out of alone. It's a crack.
Hey, God, I greet you, my brother.
Thank you.
As I am now, I'm drinking champagne, man.
Okay, if not drinking now, let me join you.
I'm drinking champagne. What enemy of Biafra? What is happening today is what is recorded in the book of Numbers.
Yeah.
Elohim say, I will do to you just as you say with your mouth. Understand me?
Yeah.
All of them that say that Biafra will not come, they will die before the announcement of Biafra. It's a must.
See?
That is what they say with their mouth. You understand me? So, and they cannot stop what anybody say with his mouth that this is what is going to he wants. They can't stop it. So their wish is that they will die before Biafra comes. So why are you crying? Get yourself a drink and open champagne.
My own.
Get yourself a drink and open champagne because whenever anything that Elohim say happen, I used to rejoice, whether or death or life. You understand me? This is Berekete man. This idiot that's talking Berekete. You will see and you will hear the way he will say go. You see that man? You see Berekete? You will see how he will going to end. Maybe when that one happen again, all of you will come out to have pity on him. This is what I wanted to contribute, my brother. I thank you for your good work. I'm very happy for your good work. Keep it on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
I have good announcements for those ones that said over their dead body with Biafra come. Please, This announcement is for you. I want you to go and point, gather your family member, go and point where they will bury you. Please go there, show them where you would like them to bury you. In South Africa, please tell your people, though you have nothing. You know, his senior brother that brought him from Mozambique to South Africa. Two of them are arch enemy. So that kind of person is not somebody we will talk to. But this for his own information.
I said they never begin, they never holler. This let
madman, the Impro mini boy from in South Africa, the one where Mama they sell Ogiri Okpe. Or Nkwako market. Or what is they call that market? Ogiri Okpe. Now waiting Mama they sell. Please go and show them where they will bury you because you say over your dead body.
No, he go follow die. They don't die, he go reach in turn. You know, say na turn by turn. Nigeria na turn by turn that happen.
Hey, you say you should die. I'm not praying that you should die in South Africa. I'm just confirming what you say.
No be you talk am, na him talk am by himself.
That's why I want to remind him before he got to say I pray make him die. He used his mouth to say over his dead body. So me, Gaddafi, know that Biafra is coming. We are not on Zama group of companies. So if there's any cup, please, you can pick. They say we should be drinking. I see my own. Yes. Welcome. Chai, Otto. I go drink to swallow bottle the day we will announce the Republic of Biafra.
Enjoy yourself. Nothing they happen. So I don't know why this audio, honestly, this is the give me concern. Very big concern.
What Agwanin? What is Agwanin? Paidi say they will die. And Biafra will come.
That is so and end up in shame.
This my guy.
Go at
this Paidi said that Ejiofor say I be Simon friend. That's a Paddy comment. Paddy, did you hear him say that true? I mean, the joke. Paddy. Your name they had me to pronounce. So no, the comment before because you don't confirm.
You know, the thing we say, our people should know that we are in a critical moment. Like I used to tell us, you say my voice the echo. I don't know why the echo now. I don't know why the echo. I don't know. I don't refresh. Let me. I don't know why this thing they happen. Zogama, I greet you. I don't know why. But maybe we just manage them like that. Maybe next 30 minutes we will close. I beg. We just, as long as you don't understand what you will talk anyway. Ugochi Judith, welcome. Welcome. So the thing is that this man will die. Is one of them that said over their dead body will Biafra come. And it happened like that. Because Biafra must come. That is one thing people don't understand. And if Biafra is coming and anybody is the stumbling block, that person will come out. Say it's echoing small. You say it's echoing small. I know you're saying that Gaddafi the concern. No, because of Gaddafi. Because even if I did alone, it happen.
I don't mute.
Now me at the talk say they say make you meet that they tell them say no be because you day here the concern. Meanwhile, Gaddafi day here. Gaddafi YouTube need make you help and go subscribe. If you never subscribe, make you go subscribe for Gaddafi, please. As we move, we know they look face. As we move, we know they look face. I want us to know that Biafra is now at a point that no be you, no be me, no be anybody go fit stop am. No, nothing. Be you anybody, you no go fit stop Biafra. If you think say you go fit stop Biafra, now you know. Try am, you go see. As you see that man that talk that day, he say all of them when they go fight Simon, I don't tell you my own. If you go fight them, anything will happen to you, that one are your own. So go and they stop Biafra and they get the um and they get the pay. Biafra go pay you. Yes, Biafra will pay you. The spirit of Biafra will pay you.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do where to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.